Dirgantara Indonesia, PTDI, and the Philippine Department of National Defense, DND, signed a contract to procure 6 NC212i aircraft and their spare parts. The signing took place at the DND Office, Quezon City, Philippines on April 13, 2023. The contract was signed by PTDI Commercial Group head Indar Atmoko, and Samuel A. Castro represents the Philippine Ministry of National Defense. Previously, during a working visit by Philippine President Marcos Jr. to Jakarta to meet the President of the Republic of Indonesia, Joko Widodo, on September 5, 2022, it has been conveyed regarding the Philippines' commitment to realize the plan to purchase the NC212i aircraft from PTDI. Until finally the aircraft procurement contract was carried out, as a follow-up result of the determination of the winner of the tender, Notice of Award, by the Philippine DND, which was announced on March 10, 2023. In addition to the aircraft procurement contract, PTDI also obtained a maintenance contract for 2 Philippine Air Force NC212i aircraft purchased from PTDI in 2014. The 2 aircraft will be flown to Bandung at the end of April 2023 and have their maintenance carried out at the PTDI Bandung facility. The procurement of the 6 NC212i units is a continuation of the procurement of the previous 2 units in 2014. This indicates that PTDI's products are quality acceptable to customers to support their mission operations, said Indar. The procurement of these new additional 6 NC212i aircraft is an attempt by the PAF to improve its transportation and logistics capabilities. The aircraft can be used from short airfields to transport cargo and personnel, and can serve other purposes as a reconnaissance aircraft or for other missions. The project is part of Horizon 2's second phase of the PAF modernization program, which was revised in 2018.